Hello, this is Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing the 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Yeah, that car. It's basically a car that I never knew I liked, but I like it anyways, and I want to draw it. I decided to start off right here. And then I'm going to start off. Then I'm going to draw the bottom. Starting to look more like a different car. And still trying to get the perspective right. And unlike other sports cars, it still has that like box-like design that you see on normal cars, and makes it really unique compared to most sports cars, which are like they. I think what I'm trying to say is it looks more like a compact car than an actual sports car. This, let's say it's a sports car with a compact car design, because that's even has four doors like a compact car. They can carry four people, unlike most sports cars, which can only carry two. Now it doesn't look right. Might as well leave that out. Going to I'm gonna draw the symbol of the Mitsubishi Motors. So it's kind of tiny. My camera's tilting to the side. Hmm. I can definitely see it. It's I'm going to erase it a little. I'm going to draw the rims and the wheels. Also, don't. It's still tilting. I don't know why it's keep doing that. Going to erase back here. Try to correct myself. Yeah, nah. Still needs to look like a car. Sorry for the little interruption. My camera stand gave up on me. Well, I guess that's like the price to pay when you buy like cheap camera stands from Amazon. Well, at least it allows me to add more content. Well, at least more videos of me drawing. And yep, that's the Mitsubishi Lancer. I was basically trying to draw this. And of course, more of a side view of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Well, I can definitely see it. And that's it.